Everyone's saying car prices are normalizing. They're not. Behind dealership doors, 2025 has become a panic year. Quiet, desperate panic. Dealers are sitting on cars that can't move. Interest costs are crushing profits. Banks are tightening. Buyers think they have time. But this next phase of the car market is about to blindside both sides. Let's pull back the curtain on the 2025 dealer meltdown and how you can turn their panic into your leverage. Part 1. The market shift. The Mannheim Used Vehicle Value Index is down 7% year over year. Dealer inventories have nearly doubled since January, yet retail prices barely moved. Why? Dealers can't afford to drop prices. Every car on a lot is financed, and every unsold day costs money. They'd rather hold the price and pray for a buyer than show weakness. You see it daily. Aged inventory, tighter appraisals, and managers whispering, "Hold gross." It's not about selling, it's about surviving. Part 2. The Floorplan time bomb. Most dealers don't own their inventory. They finance it with Floorplan loans at 8% interest. Those loans are suffocating them. A small used car dealer with 80 cars might pay $8,000 plus a month in interest. That's why every upsell, add-on, and today only sale matters. Some even roll interest costs into sticker prices, meaning you're buying their debt. When you hear that price expires tonight, remember, it's not urgency, it's survival. Part 3. The consumer traps. Trap 1. The payment illusion. Dealers stretch your loan to 84 or 96 months to hit your comfortable monthly payment. You pay thousands more in interest without realizing it. Trap 2. The trade-in squeeze. Dealers underbid your trade to recover lost profit, claiming the market dropped. They're covering their floor plan interest with your car. Trap 3. The add-on explosion. Gap insurance, paint protection, VN etching, tire care. They make more in the finance office than on the lot. Every add-on is a lifeline script for them, not you. Part 4. The coming shock. Repos are up 25%. Banks are pulling back. Auction prices are slipping. Dealers who overpaid in 2023 are trapped. Can't sell at a loss, can't hold forever. Expect a major correction late 2025 to early 2026. The biggest since 2009. SUVs and EVs will fall hardest. If you're buying, wait until the fourth quarter. If you're selling, move fast before values dive further. Part 5. Turn their panic into your leverage. 1. Get multiple online offers. CarMax, Carvana, local lots. Use them against each other. 2. Watch auction data. Real sale prices, not inflated listings. 3. Negotiate only the out-the-door price. Never monthly payments. 4. Refuse extras. Most protections are dealer profit. 5 times your purchase. March, June, September, and December. Part 6. Wrap up / call to action. The dealer panic isn't a rumor. It's happening right now. But this time, the leverage is yours. The system only works when you don't understand it. Now you do. Bidding for autos exists to make sure you control the numbers, not them. Subscribe. Share your craziest dealer story in the comments. And remember, bid smart. Buy smart. Beat the dealers.